increased anxiety, isolation, people maybe not going to treatment, not talking to their counselors, talking to peer recovery specialists, and so falling off of their recovery.
Lieutenant Governor Boyd Rutherford says things are looking better when it comes to overdoses in Maryland, but a lot of work needs to be done. According to a recent report, for the first 6 months of this year, there have been more than 1,350 unintentional overdose deaths, compared to about the same amount for all of 2020. The deaths are mainly attributed to finding more drugs on the street laced with fentanyl.
When a Maryland State Trooper arrives at these scenes, first thing we're doing is trying to save the lives of those who have called 911.
Maryland State Police Superintendent Jerry Jones told us this new partnership with his organization and the Department of Health is a game changer when it comes to identifying laced drugs on the streets, which will ultimately save lives.
If it's cut with fentanyl, then that can lead to an overdose very easily. So it's certainly that mixture that creates all kinds of dangers for those who are using these drugs on the street.
And the way it's going to be done is with this mass spectrometer.
They're just little pieces of paper that you can swipe along a package or a spoon or paraphernalia, and it'll collect the drug residue and will analyze the residue on the instrument.
Investigators in the field will use these swipes and rub them on drug-related items. The swipes are brought to the MSP lab, where they are then run through the spectrometer. It's able to give instant results so law enforcement can tell exactly what drugs they're dealing with.
It's a forward-thinking type model where we can use this information, we can look at emerging trends, and we can direct troopers and other local, state, and federal law enforcement to the place where we can get them in a position to interdict these drugs before they get into the hands of the user.
And the Lieutenant Governor also tells us that he hopes that this new partnership will help lower overdose deaths as we head towards the end of the year. One final note, the OOCC has developed a new public dashboard to track and report overdose deaths and overdoses. For more information on that, you can log on to our website, WBALTV.com, and on our mobile app. In Pikesville, I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.